Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with access and the exact file ready. You must be an editor in SSC. Once confirmed, locate the current live photo entry. Next, prepare the replacement as both the short motion, MOV plus a high-quality still, JPG. Make a backup of the original live photo and record its file name and timestamps so you can revert if needed. Now, open the SSC Asset Manager, navigate to the item, and enter Edit Mode to begin replacing the media immediately. Once in Edit Mode, upload the MOV file first so SSC recognizes the motion track, then attach the JPG still to serve as the displayed frame. Make sure to match metadata exactly, file name, timestamps, tags, and any ID fields, because SSC links live photo components by those values. After uploading, use the platform's staging or versioning feature to preview playback and thumbnail appearance. If anything looks off, roll back to the staged version, adjust metadata, and reupload to preserve continuity. You're almost done. Publish the edited asset and verify playback on both desktop and mobile to confirm the live photo plays and the thumbnail is correct. If the new motion or still doesn't appear, clear local caches and purge the CDN. Make sure devices aren't showing cached thumbnails. If mismatched components persist, reapply the exact metadata and reupload the pair from backups. One key tip: if problems continue, restore the backup and repeat the upload with identical file names and timestamps to ensure SSC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.